how to find your saved videos on YouTube. If you saved a video on YouTube and now you want to find it, the process is very simple. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly locate your saved videos. When you save a video on YouTube, it goes into a section called the library. So open the YouTube app and look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a button called Library. Tap on it. Inside the library, you will find different sections like History, Downloads, and Playlists. Look for the section called Watch Later. Every video you save to watch later will be stored in that list. Open it and you will see all of your saved videos. If you saved a video to a playlist, scroll down a little. You will see My Playlists. Tap on the playlist where you saved the video. Your saved video will be inside that playlist. If you don't remember where you saved it, don't worry. Use the search bar at the top of the app and type the name of the video or the channel. YouTube will show the results and you can easily find it again. And that's all you need to do. Your saved videos are always available in your library under Watch Later or your playlists. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.